Today is the very first day of the release of the new Pan American. Trev Deeley Motorcycles is super fortunate to get to be the first dealership in Canada to get to experience this. So today was a special dedicated day just to our staff. So Harley Davidson Canada came here with a fleet of Pan Americans. Also they came with a bunch of the competitive comparison brands. So it really gave the staff a really good opportunity to ride all these different motorcycles and truly feel what a dual sport motorcycle is. So important that every one of my staff puts a leg over one of these motorcycles so they can understand, because the difference between riding a dual sport bike and a standard Harley Davidson is night and day.
I'm a full-on street rider, so I was really surprised at how big the Pan America looks to the eye, but when you get on it, it was by far my favorite bike.
Today was my first time riding any adventure touring bikes, and I have to admit, I was so nervous. I've always ridden cruisers. I ride a Dyna Street Bob. It's being able to lean back and
right forward, and then an elbow kind of up a little bit higher. And it makes it easier to transition the bike, where we don't do that on Harley.
Yeah. But as soon as I hopped on the Pan America Special, that's got the adaptive rider height function, it's just night and day. When I came here and before today, I was like, there's no way you could get me on one of these bikes. There's no way you're gonna get me to buy one of these bikes. But I got on that thing and I'm like, I need this in my life.
What a machine. The power out of that engine is just phenomenal. The rider triangle, it's great. The handlebar positions are wonderful. The seat is really comfortable. Found some of the other bikes, the seat was really stiff and firm, but a lot of push on the tush, so I really like the Pan Am seat. Foot pegs, it kind of almost feels like a Street Fighter more than an adventure bike. Getting into the turns, the thing just handles great. Just about got the knee down coming onto the freeway, so that bike is phenomenal.
Everybody just said the same thing. The new motor was amazing. The sitting position, the comfortability, the ergonomics, where the switches are. So, really just a whole on, nothing but a positive day.